Hey, what's up everybody? So today I received a care package from R1 Concept Performance Brakes. They have been my sponsor since 2015 or 2016 when I bought this. Thanks to them, they believe in me and they give me the stopping power to stop the beast with the swap. So I'll show you guys in a bit what they look like, but they're basically drilled and slotted rotors, and I'll be swapping them out today because recently I ended up going straight to the metal, like metal on metal. Yeah, it was my fault, but I ended up catching it in time and hitting up my boys up at R1 Concept, and they hooked me up with new brakes. So let's get to it and change them. So yeah, you guys can see that I really banged it up. So straight metal on metal. The last day I ended up driving this was last Saturday, and it was raining pretty bad. I mean, again, thankfully I caught it. I mean, I didn't catch it in time to prevent any damage, but I did catch it to the point where the brake pad didn't slide into the caliper. So let's get to it and change them. Whenever you get new rotors, always clean it off with brake cleaner because there's an oil on top that lets it not rust. So remember to always spray it with brake cleaner. So usually when you put these on, I tend to tighten it all the way. Tighten it with this, then back it up just a little bit. Don't forget to put new cotter pins every time you do this, whether it's wheel bearings or rotors. So basically what I'm doing here is removing all the old grease, and I'm going to reapply new grease once I start putting the brake pads in.